Hi and welcome to Locksmith's Toolbox lockpick review on the Southord C1500. It's a slimline Euro set. It's made of high tensile stainless steel. Each pick's made with high tensile stainless steel with a minimum tensile strength of 270,000 pounds per square inch, meaning that it keeps its shape, doesn't drip down, can bend it, and flexes back into shape. They have 5 metal pick handles, which are the most common pick shape types: the diamond pick, the hook pick, snake pick, bore pick, and the wave pick. The diamond pick, of course, lends itself to picking cylindrical locks, etc. What's in that one? The hook pick's great for lifting of each pin, especially from the back forward. So you put the pick in there, and you can lift each pin up one by one. Also, the snake pick lends itself to raking, the raking method. So you're just inserting that and raking it. Of course, you do a tension wrench. Also, the snake pick is great for chiller door locks, letterbox locks, patio locks, or any wafer locks. The bore is a good automotive pick, especially a pre-2000, and also wafer locks. It also comes with a wave pick, which suits itself also to automotive, and or sometimes use it for the cylindrical, by a rocking motion and a raking motion at the same time. So it covers the picks. It has the 5 most common profile picks. And then the metal handles has a large diamond. The older type locks, and or whatever you think might be best useful for. Hook picks at various angles, and the one more of a acute angle. There again, it's for picking. These are designed for picking, lifting the bottom pins up till it hits the shear line. And then we have some acute angle diamond pick, slender. They might, being so a bit slender of design, they suit padlocks. And we have one with more of an acute angle, a smaller diamond. Again, great for padlocks and smaller locks there. But if you're really fine, you have some deep cuts in your key, depending on the cut of the key. It's also great for getting right to the back without touching the pins as you go forward. So you're manipulating from the back and working your way forward. It's a great design pick for that. And we have it's a multi-purpose pick. It can be used for raking or rocking, either in wafer locks if the keyway is big enough, because it's quite and also in cylindrical locks and automotive. So that's an all-rounder. Now it comes with your tension wrenches, a Euro. So it's just a cut down there, you can see. The slimline, great for small keyways. Padlocks. A standard with a twist. And the long stem, that's for key knob locks with a tulip knob and or knob, key knob lock. So it's a complete set that'll be able to, which you can use to pick a variety of different locks on the market today, be it tilt-a-door locks, patio locks, letterbox locks, profile cylinders, cylindrical locks, commercial type locks, and padlocks. This set has all the picks you need to pick these type of locks. Comes in a leather pouch. It's available from locksmithstoolbox.com. It's worth checking out. It's under $50. Comes with free delivery. Check it out at locksmithstoolbox.com.